semester.
Whoa, that's a funny stuff, man. Yeah, good though. The knee slapper. I'm telling you. What's this? Oh, it's making me cry. So funny. Watch this.
Where'd the ball go?
Where'd the ball go? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Tell me to give me the ball. Oh, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Right. Oh. What's he doing? What's he doing?
Don't scratch her.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Let me see.
It was unbelievable how it was written. How many green energy problems were in it, you know, like, oh, well, we could say, oh my God. And it's like, you go back and look at books that were written 10 years ago, just a decade ago, you go to the question's office and say, give me a textbook that's 10 years old. You go through it, you don't see that kind of stuff. You know, they're talking about real world problems, like, how do we make this turbine more efficient, how do we make this, you know. They weren't talking about wind generation, they weren't talking about, biofuels, you know. When you get into it, a lot of this stuff is no more clean or any better than the technology we have now. It's really sad. Like they always talk about biofuels being cleaner, but not. You know, talking about alcohol and gasoline being better. It's not better.